Hello, my name is Prachi Patil and today I will present my project titled Reset API for a social media platform. This project is developed using Node.js, Express.js, MongoDB and JWT Authentication. The main goal of this project is to build a secure and scalable backend system that supports social media functionality such as user authentication, post, like, comment, follow system, and personalized newsfeed. What is a reset API? A reset API is a standard way for application to communicate over the internet using HTTP method like get, post, put and delete. Reset API are widely used because they are lightweight, scalable and platform independent. In social media platform, API manage user data, post, feed, notification and interaction between users. Popular applications like Instagram, LinkedIn, and Twitter heavily depend on REST API for smooth communication between front-end and back-end system. Project objective. The main objective of this project are: first, to build a scalable backend architecture capable of handling multiple users and requested efficiently. Second, to implement secure user authentication using JWT and password hashing. Third, to develop core social media features such as post, comment, like, followers, and news feed. And finally, to create flexible and maintainable backend using MongoDB and Mongoose. Technology use. This project use server modern backend technologies. Node.js use has the JavaScript runtime environment. Express.js helps create API and manage route efficiently. MongoDB is used has the NoSQL database, while Mongoose provides schema, modeling and validation. JWT is used for secure token-based authentication and backup is used to hash password securely. Postman is used for API testing, manage environment variables, and GitHub is used for version control and collaboration. System architecture. This slide shows the system architecture of the project. The client send request to the Express server. The request passes through root and middleware, escapely JWT middleware before reaching controllers. Controllers process business logic and interact with MongoDB using Mongoose models. Finally, the response is sent back to the client. The layer architecture improves scalability, code organization, and maintainability. Project folder structure. The project follows a clean and model folder structure. The configuration folder contain database configuration and environment setup. Controllers contain business logic. Middleware handles authentication and error management. Model define MongoDB schema. Routes manage API endpoints and utility. File contain reducible helper functions such as token generation and validation. These structure make the project easier to manage and scale. User Authentication Module. This module handles user registration and logging securely. During registration, user passwords are encrypted using bcrypt before being stored in MongoDB. When user login, the system verify and generate a JWT token. This token is then used for accessing protected routes. Authentication middleware check token validity on every secure requested and ensure only authorized user can access resource. Database schema design. This slide explains the database schema design. The user schema stores profile information, followers and following data. The post schema stores content like comments and timestamps. The comment schema manages comment linked to post and user. The follow system uses self-reflexing relationship between user. Mongoose population is used to efficiently fetch related data access across collection. Core features: post, like, comment and follow. These projects include all major social media functionality. User can create, read, update and delete posts. The system ensures that only the owner of a post can edit or delete it. User can also like and unlike post and add comment. The follow system allows user to follow or unfollow other user while preventing duplicate follows and self-following. Newsfeed security and development. One of the implement feature is the personalized news feed. The system fetches posts from follower, user and display them in chronological order. Pagination is implemented using pages and limit parameter for better performance. Security measure include JWT, password encryption, validation, and centralized error handling. The API can be developed on platform like AWS using MongoDB and environment variable for production configuration. And final conclusion: to conclude, this project demonstrates how a modern social media backend can be built using Node.js, Express.js, MongoDB, and JWT. It includes secure authentication, CRUD operation, social interaction, personalized feed, and scalable architecture. From these projects, I gained practical experience in backend development, API design, database management, and development. Thank you.